Imagine waking up to a world transformed by a fierce snowstorm. In March 1888, the Great Blizzard struck the northeastern United States, unleashing relentless winds and heavy snowfall. Over just 3 days, the storm buried cities under up to 50 inches of snow, paralyzing urban life and trapping thousands. New York City, with its bustling streets, became a winter wonderland turned nightmare. The blizzard claimed the lives of over 400 people and disrupted transportation systems that were ill-prepared for such unprecedented weather. Trains were halted, streetcars were immobilized, and telegraph lines were down, cutting off communication. This catastrophic event forced cities to reevaluate their infrastructure and emergency response strategies. As a direct result, urban planners began investing in better snow removal systems and improved public transportation. The storm's impact was so profound that it ignited discussions about weather forecasting's importance, leading to advancements in meteorology. The Great Blizzard of 1888 serves as a chilling reminder of nature's power and catalyzed significant changes in how cities respond to severe weather, shaping urban life for generations to come.